And Tobago, I see in Jamaica, they're hungry. I don't know why Vines Cartel do send the money where you rip way off with and feed the hungry Jamaicans. Are you hungry for KFC? We just feed KFC to dog, boy. Watch it. We just get dog does eat this, man. Take one, boy. Dog, boy. We just get KFC to dog, boy. At the end of the day, Beanie Man, go and eat. Eat, Beanie Man. Where brethren Vines Cartel go, like, he hungry too, he mother in the line and all. Line up. They're like hyena. They just over each other like crab in a barrel. You're hungry, boy. I want to stand with Jamaican. We just feed KFC to dog, boy. Lock off.
Where this dead dog come from? So you want to start Jamaican. Brother, you feel about when fall of tea take. You're full of shit like man crab. How you want to come disrespect Jamaica about KFC? And everybody going to suffer for KFC, brother. You understand me? So the Jamaican them not take it lightly. So me run to the comment section and some video. So people watch what people have to say about him. You understand me? And listen responsible. Cause some of the other little speedy word in it.
And Tobago, I see in Jamaica, they're hungry. I don't know why Vines Cartel do send the money where you rip way off with and feed the hungry Jamaicans. Are you hungry for
Is what do this cokehead boy? Me a page him right now. Batty boy, apologize now to the Jamaican people and to world boss. Alright, that done. Waste man like you don't deserve no proper burial.
Now this man is going viral.
Dog does eat this, boy. Take one, boy. Dog, boy. We just get KFC to dog, boy. At the end of the day, Beanie Man, go and eat. Eat, Beanie Man.
Now let's be honest. The Caribbean, big. But Jamaica is a big deal. Now when many Jamaicans saw that video, kinda rubbed with the wrong way. I've tried Trinidad KFC before. I understand why I feed it that. For your sea shoes, you know say frozen. Then if your KFC tastes like dog food, then I must dog. Rude. Why the pit toilet you don't go one side? Sir, please go suck your mother brawling. Oh, you do that? I feed dog KFC and your yard look like a chicken they drop heavy like a cement batter frying. Clean up your house and your yard, yeah, your dog look alike. You look like something God forget and the devil the devil reviews. The dog have more personality than you. Go suck out your stinking, suck good self-run stinking one. But sir, you favor dogs. So you should have eat KFC. Clean up your yard. Buy a new phone, bro. First of all, go back to school and learn to speak properly. You can't be trying to insult a nation and sound like a half-breed girl. No, sir.
hungry? I don't know why Vines Cartel.
You want somebody see you, me see you. You notice you throw the piece of dirty chicken on the ground and not even a dog. You notice when you throw meat on the ground, dog are sitting when you meat. You notice you throw that on the ground and not even dog no one that you yam.
Yeah, man.
Pussy you not gonna yam that. That is not Jamaican KFC. You not gonna yam that, you know. That tastes bad in a pussy like your mother cooking in a batty boy. Just left Jamaica out here, make we cuss one another. You know bother getting at this and stop call up cartel name. Cause cartel not see you.
Everybody know this.
Hungry belly batty boy. I dash your chicken cause you know it not taste good. That no blood clot taste good. If you get piece of Jamaican KFC right now, you not dash it. You must dash that kind not taste good. Nobody now go crave no over that low Jamaican business to Jamaican. You know what that involved in this. January and February gone. Go take March and suck your mother, Jack.
And Tobago, I see in Jamaica, they're hungry. I don't know why Vines Cartel.
I can't say you shouldn't bet my fucking citizens, so you hear that?
So but must tell you this, you fucking mother scunt. You fucking bulla man. Boy, KFC to fucking dog. You know, sister, we have bread, you know, out there we have feed KFC to fucking pig. What the fuck you think, boy? Everything Jamaican do, they do it for fucking vibes. We might say we go to our way sometime and do some fucking stupidness. But boy, I'm telling you this, just should be a fucking head and eat your father. And Tobago, I see in Jamaica, they're hungry. I don't know why Vines got.
Bust up your blood clot. Hey, listen. Go and drain out your tie to how if you tie up your bum clot and kill you up your yoke.
And Tobago, I see in Jamaica, they're hungry. I don't know why Vines got. Boo!
Let me say something real quick, because this thing need to stop, you know. Trinidad and Jamaican always a issue, and them so we need to stop, man. All the way are Caribbean people, brethren. You know what I mean? Yes, we know sometimes somewhere with Jamaican we nagging because you know. But the thing is, the whole of we are Caribbean people, we there for each other's, right? We not soca, we are dancer, we are all of we combine together, we party. So I don't see the reason why we not come out, come say this and that. At least this is dead dog of him. Anyway, the thing is, everybody have a different thing, because maybe everybody have a different taste. Maybe somebody might eat Trinidad KFC and it tastes much better to him. Somebody might come to Jamaica and taste better to him. Because I see where people left from foreign come to Jamaica and think the Jamaican KFC tastes much better than in America, England also. You know what I mean? So we need to respect people and respect each other's man and not stop the foolishness, brethren. See, the other day, an identify something called Netta come here, come this Jamaican food, and the whole Caribbean come down and him defend the thing. I mean, love that. You know what I mean? That's how we supposed to live. And it's a dead dog, I know, I come try this. Hey, it's a boy, yes, man. Anyway, guys, I had some comments we get from the comment section where some people talking about him, disrespect him, why flow with him.
Yes, my people. So I was looking in the comment section. You can see right here, a lot of people saying stuff like that, man. I'm telling you, man. I'm dying with laugh. Yeah, dead with laugh, Bridget.
When he stop video, he going back to take up that piece of KFC that he threw to the dog, the piece of chicken. He gonna fight the dog for that piece of chicken. And then someone saying it, say, hey, you don't know this man. He's from Venezuela. You know what I mean? So, hey, Jamaican, just take it easy on my Trinidad because they say they don't know this man. So, they do not represent Trinidad. You know what I mean? I'm saying the punk foot. Yeah, man. So, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure like and share the video, okay? Yeah, man. And Trinidad, we don't want to smoke. We all should live together, you know, respect each other, everybody. Because, everybody KFC tastes different, and whatever different taste, but you know, and stuff like this. So, yes, it is what it is. Okay? Peace out. Love Topic TV.
You serious?